Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equipment Remarketing. I'll give you a nice video here of a 2014 Moffett M55 sitting here with 2,249 hours. This thing has been completely refurbished and repainted. We've gone in here, disassembled it, taken off the roll cage, the diamond plating here, the seat, the hood, the back door, the battery cover. Many of these gray parts, painted them separately, painted the machine separately. Then we go ahead and put them back together so you get a paint finish in between, long-lasting finish, all new decals. Ladies and gentlemen, this thing's been completely refurbished also. We've gone in here, looked for anything leaking such as the hoses, the cylinders, the wheel motors, any of the manifolds, and the hydraulic pump's been leaked and pressure tested as well. If we find anything bad, we go ahead and replace it. We look for wearable items such as pins, bushings, mass bearings, chains, rollers, anything of that matter. If it's bad, it's replaced. You have really nice rubber, almost new all the way around here, ladies and gentlemen. Brand new in the back. All the oil's been changed. Your filter's date coded there. You can hit the ground running. You know how long you can run it. Ladies and gentlemen, take a look at the engine on top here. You have yourself a Kubota engine. There's your V2203, long-lasting engine. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go ahead and fire this up, show you how well she runs. We're going to give you what we call an operational guarantee. What that simply means is it's going to be the condition I'm showing you here today. We're going to have you back you up and help you get it fixed. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the operational guarantee is very short term, just when it shows up. Now, hear that Kubota coming to life. Here's your mass going up and down. We have tilt, side shift, outriggers, mass carriage going in and out. We'll show you a little bit of driving, show you how everything's in sync, your steering's tight. All your lights are working. Go ahead and back it up, Levi. You have your backup alarm. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you get an operational guarantee. That means we'll back this up. It's going to be condition I've shown you here today. You can use the video and the pictures and be confident you know what you're getting. If it's not, we're going to help you get it fixed. That's very short term, just when it shows up, then you're done. But we'll go ahead and back up this Kubota engine for another 30 days. You give us a call at 260-238-4998, or you can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thanks for watching this video.